Samsung Electronics is one of the top consumer electronics company in the entire world. They face stiff competition from the likes of Motorola, Apple, LG, and Nokia. Specifically, they face challenges in intense investment in R&D from their competitors, and this has led to a highly localized product design that better meets the product needs of customers around the world. We've also seen the commoditization of product design strategies and processes, and as we dug into this case, we found a strategy that we believe will be successful in helping Samsung Electronics outpace their competition.
In order to help overcome these problems, we propose that Samsung adopt the Connect and Development strategy made successful by Procter & Gamble. The Connect and Development strategy encourages innovation networking among companies globally. So a larger firm, such as Samsung, may be able to partner with a small or mid-sized entrepreneurial firm, a government or university lab, or even different individuals globally to be able to collaborate on innovation and push a product to the market faster and cheaper than either one of those groups may be able to do by themselves. Procter & Gamble has already proven this method to be effective. Currently, the Connect and Develop method has helped them to produce more than 35% of their innovations. Their goal as a company is to get to the point where they're producing 50% of their innovations through Connect and Develop. This strategy is great for companies that are in a growing market, that like Samsung is right now, because they are no longer restricted to the traditional brick and mortar method of R&D. We already know that Samsung has invested a lot and has great assets in their R&D infrastructure. This infrastructure will be helpful in ushering in the C&D approach that we're talking about. It's already set into place existing connections around the world with different brands, suppliers, and innovators that Samsung can use in their growth.
Some of the pros that we have noticed in the Connect and Develop strategy are it helps expand Samsung's core competency of R&D. It also increases the efficiency of R&D efforts, as well as speeds up the time to market for their products. This will help Samsung utilize the development partnerships that they already have in place.
Unfortunately, there are some cons with the C&D strategy. There are potential complications with sharing intellectual property and patents with outside parties in other countries that would have other laws in regards to these types of intellectual properties. Leadership would have to be completely restructured from the top down. It would take a lot of time and a lot of resources to build the network of mid-sized entrepreneurial firms, the universities, and the different government labs. And unfortunately, it's not guaranteed to improve Samsung's research and development to sales ratio. And we still feel that this is going to be the best way to go ahead and go forward with the C&D strategy for Samsung.
Now that we're able to understand a little bit more about Samsung's background and review their problem, which is stay relevant in this competitive market, in electronic market to be specific, the team suggested that Samsung should use the Connect and Develop strategy, which has demonstrated great results for Procter & Gamble in 2000. One of the benefits is to speed up the time of product to market, as well as utilizing the R&D resources more efficiently.